guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. Okay, so today we'll see already we are doing hook tutorial, right? So already we have seen useState hook. So today we'll see what is useEffect hook. Okay, so see, these are the hooks which are very important while doing React application. Okay, we use that hook. Okay, we use useEffect hook also, useState hook also. So what is useEffect, that we'll see, and how we can use that we'll see. Okay, so you can see here I have created one component that name is useEffect. Okay, means related name only I have taken, and here I have exported and even I have called here, that is useEffect. Okay, then next you can see here I have taken one state. Okay, and already I have imported, then here both I have imported because I am using useState as well as useEffect also. Okay, so here this is my normal state, that is data. Now the initial value of data is what? 0, and set data means updated value will get in set data. Okay, then next in return what I have done, I have taken one component, I have taken one button. Then here what I am doing, I am incrementing. Okay, then here I have taken one event, I have written here, that is on click event. Then handle click, for that event I have taken one function, that is handle click. Then here set data plus 1. Data plus 1 means here I am updating the data value, means it will increment by 1. You can see here it will increment by 1 whenever I will click, that time data initially is 0, so 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 2 2. So this is the updated data will get in set data, that we are printing in here data. Okay, this is my useEffect example. Here we'll see the incremented value. Then next, what is useEffect? You can see here I have taken here useEffect, then here I am alerting something and as well as I am consoling. Okay, so here in this condition, right now how we are written useEffect, like in this condition on every refresh and on every click the useEffect will work. Okay, on every refresh and every click it will work, that I will show you. You can see here, see if I refresh, you can see my useEffect is working, that is I have given their alert, so it is working. You here also you can see instead of alert what I will do, I'll comment this alert and just console will see first. Okay, you can see on every click it is working. Okay, useEffect is calling. Okay, if I refresh also you can see here it is calling. So this is useEffect, means we can use like this also, like for if you want see parallel, if you want to run any program with this function, then that time also we can use this useEffect, means it will run continuously for every click, for every refresh it will work. Okay, suppose if you want to use useEffect only for particular condition, it should work. For example, it should work only when my data is incrementing. Okay, that is by using condition. Okay, means using condition also we can use the useEffect hook. Okay, so this is just basic, means what is useEffect, just I am telling, like we can run this parallelly with this function also, and using condition also we can run, right? For example, suppose if it is incrementing, then only run this, on each refresh don't run, that also we can do using condition. Okay, so that we'll see in next video. So this is just a basic what is useEffect that I am telling. Okay, so I hope you got this, what is useEffect. So if you are, then also suppose if you have any questions and comment, then please comment in comment box, we'll answer to that. Okay, and if you are liking our videos, then please like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for your guys, keep supporting us. Thank you.